Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be installing a 5x5 lace closure wig today. So this is just a quick tutorial, but if you guys would like a more in-depth detailed video on how to apply a 5x5 lace closure wig, leave me a comment down below. As you guys can see, my hair is already prepped for this style. I already have my stocking cap glued down, and I know my hair isn't flat under my cap. I didn't have time to cornrow my hair, so I just made one big braid and it's kind of bumpy on the back, but we're just gonna work with that. For this install, I'm using the same wig you guys saw 2 videos ago. I'll have it linked somewhere on the screen. This is the honey blonde wig from the previous video. If you guys did not see it, definitely go check it out. So I ended up cutting the wig into the short bob, and you guys, I know I need improvement in my cutting. I'm not there yet, but trust me, I have come a long way. Right now I'm adjusting the wig, making sure that it fits properly before I apply my glue. And today I'm just keeping it simple. I'm using the Gots to Be gel and spray, and I already know I'm not gonna leave this wig on for more than 2 days. So using the Gots to Be is the best choice because it doesn't give that strong hold and it's easy to remove. So I'm gonna continue installing this wig. You guys already know the drill, and by the way, you guys are gonna see me a little bit out of frame throughout this video. I apologize in advance. I didn't notice that the camera wasn't at the right angle. I hope you were able to see what I was doing. If not, I apologize.
For the meal, lately I'm blue like the bills, yeah. I'm elevated, overeducated. I run the race for who I resonate with. I break the bread with G's who work the late shift. Break the ground, shake up the simulation. Reshape the sound, needed renovation. All that they quickly vacated the premises. I feed off my enemy entities. I rock the crown with a tilt. Ain't nobody done it like this. I'm having fun, I'm wild, I spaz when I serve with the stylist. I'm breaking them over with the hits. Only got one life to live. I'm antisocial at the function. They make me out to be the bad guy. My circle micro, if you had a scope, you still couldn't see us through the glass eyes. Real evasive when it's average chasers. Dressed to kill like I'm going places. Better late than fake, just hoping that we make it. Pray we make it through the night. Oh, we make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. I've been going my way. I've been going my way. When I grind all day. I've been going my way. You can see that I'm grind all day. I've been going my way. Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes have recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through the ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip. Pushing the scraper that was so ageless, we blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent but no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the playlist. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, yeah, tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on the traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate the labyrinth. I'm keeping it late, burn it down to the ash. My life is much more than imagine. I got where I'm at with the passion. Traded all to live it backwards. Pray we make it through the night. Oh, we make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. I've been going my way. The word on my back like a atlas, lit down the ashes. Shit do not come with no practice. Recipe, passion, and liquor with God in the passenger. Prayer that crashes. I'm in my basket, blissful but ignorant. I'm dapper but ratchet. I play around in the traffic. I take the risk. Look at me stack up the chips. I play roulette with the magnet. Right till I die. I'm not afraid of the casket. I'm on the run. I'm chasing the thrills. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I lust for the meal. Lately I'm blue like the bills. Yeah. I'm elevated, overeducated. I run the race for who I resonate with. I break the bread with G's who work the late shift. Break the ground, shake up the simulation. Reshape the sound, needed renovation. All that they quickly vacated the premises. I feed off my enemy entities. I rock the crown with a tilt. Ain't nobody done it like this. I'm having fun, I'm wild, I spaz when I serve with the stylist. I'm breaking them over with the hits. Only got one life to live. I'm antisocial at the function. They make me out to be the bad guy. My circle micro, if you had a scope, you still couldn't see us through the glass eyes. Real evasive when it's average chasers. Dressed to kill like I'm going places. Better late than fake, just hoping that we make it. Pray we make it through the night. Oh, we make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I grind all day. I've been going my way. I've been going my way. When I grind all day. I've been going my way. You can see that I grind all day. I've been going my way. Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they drop me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through the.
So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, my hair wasn't flat, and right now I'm just showing you where it's sticking out, and I realized that my part isn't straight. Oh well.
All it is done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the playlist. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, you ain't tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on a traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate the labyrinth of keeping it.
But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at bcwigs to see pictures on this bob style. Leave me a comment down below, and if you guys are interested in a more detailed closure install, let me know and I'll do it for you guys. So anyway, thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next one.
Shit do not come with no practice. Recipe, passion, and liquor with God in the passenger. Prayer that crashes. I'm in my basket, blissful but